Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. Am I right? I know, it's been crazy. We had such a fun month at the Stamps of Life. I'm telling you, we had our online event. We had our Super Sunday event that was live also. We released one of our most popular club sets in Stamps of Life history, and quite a few other wonderful, awesome dies. And I thought, you know what? There's a chance you might have missed one or two of those awesome releases. And I thought, what a great idea to put a whole video together of just all of them so you can see a little recap and make sure that you didn't miss anything. And if you did, you can go get it. Are you ready? First, we released our B set. Now, our Club B set literally has been a record breaker. I happen to absolutely positively adore it, so I was happy to see that. But look at how cute it is. It has a fun little hive. You are as sweet as can be. Then, of course, we released the add-on sets with the stamps and the dies. Be happy. We also released our Honey Pot Fold It, which, whoa, I know, too cute for words, am I right? Now, if this is sold out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to our website and click Notify Me. And as soon as it gets back in stock, you will get an email so you can get it ASAP if you missed out the first time around. Look at how cute this fun honey pot is with our box folded. Absolutely love it. Here's another cute one using the bees on a slim line with, look at that, awesome shakers. You gotta love all those shakers, right? So adorable, so fun. Then we re-released, because this was only seen on HSN, our jar die and stamp set. I'm telling you, I know this has been the most popular ever, and finally now we have it available for you to get on our website. Look at how cute that is. Now that's part of the stamp set, but you are gonna put so many different fun things in that jar. You're gonna be amazed at how often you use it. We also released our shaker card kit die set that makes the shakers. Now that's really fun. We released it a long time ago on HSN. We only brought back the dies, but you were gonna have so much fun with them. Here's using the flower without even a shaker, but it's so much fun. Now, Kit Club members, did we knock your socks off this month? I'm pretty sure we did. But here's an example of the A1 card die set that you got in your kit, including Best Friends and Thank You. I know, can you believe it? I know, we always try to knock your socks off. I think we did this time. We also released the Mum embossing folder along with the Lattice embossing folder and the fun die set Hello Beautiful. How wonderful to send a card to someone and it says, Hello Beautiful. What a nice little pick-me-up for someone that you send it to. Here's another example of that beautiful, using it just with the word beautiful and those cute bees and that A2 hexagon background. Love it. We also released our Baby Fold It. I'm telling you, I've used this one quite a few times already, so I'm finally happy to be able to show it to you, but I get to use them behind the scenes to give to friends, so now I finally get to share this one with you. I absolutely love it. We also released our cute Ladybug Fold It. Isn't she stunningly beautiful? I absolutely love her. She's just so pretty. Then we released our gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous lacy looking A2 flower background with the inside flower, which is so fun. Or you could add one of our words to it. This one says Just Pray. We also released Hello Spring. Lots of options for those inside circle words. Love it. Then we also released our leprechaun hat. Fold it, because you know you can never have too many little fun St. Patrick's Day cards. Look how cute those little guys are. And last but certainly not least is our cute Steffi doll holding her little teddy bear. And here's a cute little card that says Happy Birthday. Whoa! I'm sure I missed a couple things too. Can you believe it? What a busy month we've had. Now, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. Make sure you are getting our email newsletter. We send one about once a month on release day. I'm sorry, once a week on release days. So you will get notifications ASAP when we have brand new items, and chances are some of them are even going to be on flash sale, which means you get an extra discount. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Make sure you're getting that emailed newsletter. If you're not, check your spam folders and get those in your email box, because you know what? You don't want to miss out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.